Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, we are going into the Fed announcement tomorrow, and you know what's a little bit weird about it? The VIX. Take a look at this chart of the VIX. So this is a 3-year chart with weekly candles, and we are literally at 3-year lows in the VIX. Very interesting, isn't it? So one of the things, I mean, you don't need me to tell you why that's interesting. Apparently, the market believes that tomorrow is going to be a non-event, and I can kind of see that. It would be a pretty big surprise if the Fed moved interest rates at all either way. And that's not really what we're looking at tomorrow. I mean, we're going to be looking at the inflation numbers that come out in the morning, but we're also going to be looking for what Powell says afterwards and any changes in the rhetoric. So, hey, looks like maybe that soft landing is here, and that we could be just skating through the end of the year and entering that Santa Claus rally. We shall see. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.